I think the girls with their nails done now. Girls with their nails done. I think the girls with their nails done.
Hi guys, it's Ariana. Welcome back to my channel. So as you guys can see, my backdrop is different. So we are finally in the month of October, which is my favorite month of the entire year because spooky month, obviously. So I'm not going to be doing 31 days of Halloween because that's just insane. And I did 25 days of SFXmas last year and it was too much. It was a lot. So I'm just going to be doing random spooky looks throughout the month. I don't really have a set plan for what days I'm going to be doing spooky looks. I'm just going to be going off of my normal schedule. My normal schedule is usually 2 or 3 times a week. I kind of post just kind of sporadically whenever I feel like it, and I don't really have a set time or idea of what I'm doing this year. So this is going to be the first look that I do for spooky season. So this is a look that I found on Pinterest. I'll post it right here for you guys. I think it looks really cool. It's really very just simple. So this is going to be a very simple look for you guys to be able to copy and do. So I'm hoping this works because it looks really sweet. So I'm going to start off by, I think I'm going to start off by doing the slime portion first. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be mapping out my slime using the NYX Jumbo pencil in the color Milk, and I'm just going to draw where I think I want the slime part portion to go. Let's figure out how to do this. So nothing really that technical, just kind of drew slime down my face. So now what I'm going to do is I am going to go and I'm going to start the eyeshadow portion. So I'm going to quickly go grab my James Charles palette. So I definitely want to use the black that's in this palette, and I'm going to just quickly smoke out my eyes and not do anything too crazy with the eyes. So I'm just going to go in using a blender brush, and it already has some green on it, so that'll work fine. And I'm just going to go into Spooky, and I'm just going to black out my eyes. I'm also going to go into the color Social Blade, which is green, and I'm just going to add that into the black. And I'm going to go into Daddy and just add that in there. So we're going to go for like a weird kind of blacked out smoky green look. And then underneath the eyes, I'm going to do the same thing. Using a tapered brush, I'm going to go into the black, mix in with both of the greens, and just blend that underneath the eyes. And I'm going to go into Social Blade and really bring that into the crease. This is not a clean look, obviously. So I'm going to do the same thing on the other eye. Now, this is where the fun part starts. So I'm going to go in using some UV pigments. So I'm going to go in using my Shade Beauty pigment. I'm going to be using this electric yellow and this electric green, and I'm going to be filling in where the slime is using these colors. So the good thing about using white is you can change it and it won't really matter too much. So I'm just gonna make this one a little bit thinner. I just went in and I fixed this side just because I wasn't happy with it. So I just did that quickly off of camera. Basically the exact same thing that I was doing on this side. On this side, I just wanted to fix the lines a little bit, and that's why I go in with white, because it is much easier to fix lineage when you're using white than it is with black. And I will just go over the lines, the slime lines, with black once we are done and ready. This is also why I do the foundation second, because there is a lot of fallout with loose powders like this. So now that this portion of it is done, I'm gonna quickly go and clean up my face, and I'm gonna do my foundation off of camera just because you guys don't need to see me do my foundation. I'm gonna quickly go do my foundation and then I will be right back. Okay, so now that we're at this point, I am going to darken my brows just because I am gonna be throwing on a green wig, but I want my brows to be not the same color as my natural hair. So I'm gonna be going in with just a small brush like so. And I'm gonna be going into the color Spooky in the James Charles palette, and I'm just gonna be darkening my brows. So now that the brows are done, I'm gonna quickly go in and darken up some of the eye makeup. So we made it pretty like almost crocodile green. So now I'm gonna go in with the color Benny in the James Charles palette, and I'm just going to darken up the under eyes. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of Benny and Spooky together. I just wanted to bring the darkness down a little bit. And then I'm gonna go into my face paint. So I am gonna go into the Mevron Makeup face paint. So this is the black, and I am going to do the outline of the slime portion with a black. So I'm gonna use the Made You Look brush set. So this one is just my angled brush, and I'm gonna go into the black. And this is a water activated paint. So just have a little bit of water here and I'm activating it. It was really hard. I'm really bad at painting, guys, and I had to hold my breath for a lot of that. So I'm gonna quickly go in and I'm gonna clean up some of the lines that I kind of made a little bit of mistakes on, and I will be right back. Now this is where we're gonna go back into those colors again, and we're just going to fill in some of the spots that are still showing some of the white. So I just tried to draw the biohazard symbol on my forehead and it didn't work, so I'm just gonna quickly go ahead and do some winged liner, and I am going to throw on some lashes and I will be right back. So this is what the look looks like once it's all complete. It's just a really fun, creative slime kind of look. So now I'm gonna go and I'm gonna turn off the lights and we're gonna see what it looks like glowing in the dark. So this is what it looks like in the dark. It looks really, really cool. It looks like slime. So when I hold up the black light, it looks even more like it. It looks like there's slime running down my face. Ah! So Jeffree Star's lipsticks obviously aren't UV, and my wig obviously isn't really UV. It's just kind of a greenish wig, but this is what the finished look looks like. I think it looks really cool. I hope that you guys enjoyed this kind of look. I know I have some UV pigments everywhere, but that's just kind of what you get for this kind of look. It just kind of will happen. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys did enjoy this video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for more content like this, and I will see you guys at the next video. Bye!